Welcome to Spring LIB.
Here the question is, you have learned two ways to make an alkyl benzene, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation followed by reduction. Although some alkyl benzenes can be prepared by both methods, it is often true that only one method can be used to prepare a given alkyl benzene. Which method can be used to prepare each of the following compounds from benzene? Show the steps that would be used. So here we are doing the Friedel-Crafts reaction, alkylation, and there are two methods. Out of that, we have to select one which is most suitable for the product formation. So in case of A, this alkyl group is long carbon chain. So most suitable method will be the given compound can be prepared by Friedel-Crafts acylation followed by reduction to avoid the rearrangements and formation of mixture of compounds. So first of all, benzene is taken and acylation. So for the acylation, we are selecting the compound chlorine with C double bond O and total number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This alkyl halide acetyl chloride should be taken and it should be in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride for the Friedel-Crafts reaction, and by that the product formed should be double bond O must be here. This alkyl halide is formed 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. Total 5 carbon can be introduced, and next step should be the reduction. That is Clemenson's reduction. Zinc in presence of mercury with HCl. And finally, CO group is converted to CH2 group. So in the benzene ring, we are getting the required compound. So the product is formed by this method here. In case of B, there is no problem of rearrangement. So directly we can perform the alkylation using alkyl halide and benzene ring. So here the alkyl halide should be 5-membered ring here first, and 1 chlorine must be attached to here. Alkyl halide taken and in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. So directly we are getting the final compound. only one step. This is double bond, and here 5-membered ring. So this is the B compound which is formed. Now come to C. For the C compound, both methods are applicable, but the safer method will be again acetylation followed by reduction. So here also in case of C, we are doing first acetylation. So benzene is taken and acetyl chloride, CH3, C double bond O, Cl, in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. By that, acetyl group is introduced in the benzene ring. So the product is acetophenone, and after that Clemenson's reduction, and by that the product will be Clemenson's reduction. For that zinc and mercury is needed in presence of HCl, and the product will be benzene ring with ethyl group, so ethyl benzene. In D, tertiary butyl group is introduced in the benzene ring. The safer method will be simple alkylation. It can be introduced by primary or secondary, and by the rearrangement we may get the tertiary butyl, but there are chances of rearrangements and formation of mixture of products. So the better way is to take the required alkyl halide as such. So we are taking the chlorine with 1 carbon and 3 methyl groups, that is tertiary butyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and final product will be benzene ring with 1 carbon here attached to 3 methyl groups. So this is the final product D, which is formed directly by alkylation using the required alkyl halide.